This is a brand new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 2500. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 6.0-liter V8, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the convenience package, a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a remote start feature, the appearance package, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: aluminum wheels, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, rear seat child-proof door locks, an unattended headlight warning chime, a pass-through rear seat, full power accessories, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Moritz Chevrolet Chrysler Jeep Dodge is located at 9101 Camp Bowie in Fort Worth. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.